Hi everyone, I'm Alicia. Welcome to Conversational Phrases. We've found that the best way to learn a language is to speak it from day one. And the best way to start speaking is to learn phrases that you'll use in real conversations. In this lesson, you'll learn conversational phrases to use when talking on the phone. After watching this video, you'll be able to ask for someone on the phone and to put someone on hold. And if you want to learn more vocabulary, phrases, and example sentences you can use in real-life situations, click the link in the description to download your Making a Phone Call PDF cheat sheet for free. Now, let's take a look at some conversational phrases.
Listen to the dialogue. Hello, I'd like to speak with the person in charge. Okay, just a moment. Listen to it again. Hello, I'd like to speak with the person in charge. Okay, just a moment. First of all, you'll need to learn how to say hello on the phone. That's hello. Hello. Then, you'll need to learn how to say, I'd like to speak with person. The pattern is, I'd like to speak with person. For example, hello, I'd like to speak with the person in charge. Hello, I'd like to speak with the person in charge. Hello, I'd like to speak with the person in charge. Now, how do you answer this question? Okay, just a moment. Listen to it again. Okay, just a moment. Okay, just a moment. Here are a few more phrases you can use with the same pattern to talk on the phone. The person in charge. The person in charge. The person in charge. A sales representative. A sales representative. A sales representative. The manager. The manager. The manager. Customer service. Customer service. Customer service. Let's look at some examples. Listen and repeat or speak along with the native speakers. I'd like to speak with a sales representative. Okay, just a moment. I'd like to speak with the manager. Okay, just a moment. I'd like to speak with customer service. Okay, just a moment. Okay, now it's your turn. Do you remember how to say, I'd like to speak with person? I'd like to speak with person. And how do you answer it? Okay, just a moment. Imagine you want to talk to a sales representative. Do you remember how to say a sales representative? A sales representative. A sales representative. Say, I'd like to speak with a sales representative. I'd like to speak with a sales representative. Now say you want to talk to a sales representative and answer it. I'd like to speak with a sales representative. Okay, just a moment. Now, imagine you want to talk to the manager. Do you remember how to say the manager? The manager. The manager. Say, I'd like to speak with the manager. I'd like to speak with the manager. Now say you want to talk to the manager and answer it. I'd like to speak with the manager. Okay, just a moment. Now imagine you want to talk to customer service. Do you remember how to say customer service? Customer service. Customer service. Say, I'd like to speak with customer service. I'd like to speak with customer service. Now say you want to talk to customer service and answer it. I'd like to speak with customer service. Okay, just a moment.
In this lesson, you learned new vocabulary and phrases you can use in your everyday life to talk on the phone. You're now able to answer the phone like a native speaker. Start by practicing in the comments below. Tell us and your fellow learners whom you'd like to call. Lastly, don't forget to click the link in the description and download your PDF cheat sheets. You'll get useful phrases you need for everyday life for free. See you in the next lesson. Bye!